sketch the graph of y equals 4 to the power of x minus 3 minus 3. And I've already done some work over here. I have y equals 4 to the power of x, the blue line, right? And I highlighted a couple of important points. And also the asymptote, which is y equals 0, just this dotted orange line over here. And it just represents the line that y equals 4 to the x will never actually touch. It will get very close to, but it won't touch it ever. So I have done all this work just so we can use it as a starting point to get to what we actually want to graph. Y equals 4 to the power of x minus 3 minus 3. Okay, so what will this do right here? The 3 that we're subtracting from x. That's actually just going to shift every point on the y equals 4 to the power of x line to the right by 3 units. So that is the first transformation that happens. So right 3 units. And then what will this do over here? The minus 3. This will shift every point down by another 3 units. You can say shift down 3 units. Okay, so let's get started. And something that I will tell you right away is that the asymptote will get shifted down by 3 units as well, of course. So it used to be y equals 0, now it will become y equals negative 3. So let me just dot it over here. There we go. Good enough. Okay, so we go right by 3 units with every point, so I'm going to take 0 and 1. Go right 3 and down 3. So that is our new point. 3, negative 2. Great. Then I'll take the 1 and 4 and do the same thing. I'm going to go right by 3 and down by 3. So now that point has become 4, 1. And then the function will just skyrocket upwards, basically. The next point over would be 2 and 16, right, for y equals 4 to the power of x, because 4 to the 2 is 16. So it's off the charts, and we can't really see it there, right? And it would be 16 units up from the asymptote, basically. And that's already, again, way over here. So I won't bother actually reaching that point. Just 1 second. Okay, now let me connect the dots and make a nice exponential function. So it looks something like this. I wish it was a little bit smoother. I'm pretty confident that everyone has gotten the idea. There we go. So again, the asymptote is y equals negative 3, right? So that is the line that our graph will never touch, but will get very close to. Then we'll skyrocket, like a Superman run, and we'll just shoot upwards like this. That's it. So that's y equals 4 to the power of x minus 3 minus 3.